Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Northport local and long-distance movers near me. Do you want to hire a trusted and cheap Northport moving company? You can choose 3 movers to meet your unique requirements without worrying about the cost and quality. We offer top-of-the-line local and long-distance moving solutions to our customers. Our services are on par with the best standards in the industry. Enjoy the following solutions for your long-distance move with us. Packing services. We offer packing services for our customers. You can get engaged in other important matters. Moving supplies. You can choose the right moving supplies from us. We offer everything you need to make your move successful. An on-time move. We perform your move on time without making you worry about any delays or cancellations. Upfront pricing. You don't need to worry about any hidden charges. Our free estimate offers clear information about the price. Licensed and insured. As a trustworthy long-distance moving company, we offer the services of licensed and insured professionals. Are you ready to move across the country or a few states over? With our help, you can relocate without all the hard work. We take care of everything for you to make your move simple. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Northport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.